Welcome. Get ready to explore some truly amazing facts about the incredible machine that is the human body. Our bodies are full of hidden wonders and constant processes working hard to keep us healthy and functioning. From microscopic cells to complex organ systems, let's uncover a fascinating detail about one of your most vital organs. Did you know that your stomach lining is one of the fastest regenerating parts of your body? That's right. Your entire stomach gets a brand new lining approximately every 3 days. This rapid regeneration is essential for protecting the stomach from its own powerful digestive juices. Stomach acid is so corrosive, it could potentially dissolve metal. Imagine what it could do to your cells without protection. The stomach lining isn't the only part of your body where cells are constantly being replaced. Cells in your skin and hair follicles are also constantly dividing and replacing themselves, allowing for growth and repair. The human body's capacity for renewal and repair is truly astounding, working tirelessly to maintain balance. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible resilience and power of your own body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts about the human body.